Okay, I just want to know that people are often afraid that they stammer a lot. Yeah, means वो लोग रुक रुक के बोल देते हैं. Means क्यों ऐसा होता है? Means why do they stammer a lot?
See, stammering can happen because of many reasons. The first one is confidence. If you've got stage fright, you've not been on stage, so you will stammer. Second, there are chances that you're not prepared well. So if you don't know the content that you're going to speak about, then you may stammer. Third, there are times when people have problems when they talk. So there are a lot of defects, which are there in your articulator. So because of that, so I mean, we can't just reason stammering or probably associated with one cause. There could be many reasons, but primarily people stammer when their brain and their tongue are not working in sync.
Okay.
So you would observe people talk really fast at times. And that's also because they're nervous. It's not that somebody who can talk really fast is very good at communicating.
Yeah.
Your brain and your tongue have to work in sync. And if
Okay.
that doesn't happen, sometimes people stammer.
Yes.
So not just stammer, they use fillers as well.
Okay. So basically, you mentioned that there's a major defect in articulation. So what are the major defects in articulation we have of trained the people? What you see?
See, so everybody, I mean, let's just take an example of India. People living in different parts of India, they speak one common language differently. So if you talk about Hindi or English or any language, if somebody is living in North India, they would speak English differently. Somebody who's living in South, they may speak differently because they've got regional influence. They've got their mother tongue influence. All right. So that's one cause that impacts how somebody speaks. And other than that, because they've been speaking their language in a certain way, their articulators, I mean, their mouth, their tongue, have become habitual to, create sounds or, enunciate sounds in a certain way that they can't enunciate. So, जैसे आपने देखा, लोग सा शाप का प्रॉब्लम होता है, वो सुगर, शिप को शीप बोलेंगे because जहाँ से वो आ रहे हैं, वहाँ पर जिस तरह से जो भाषा बोली जा रही है, उसका इफ़ेक्ट दूसरी लैंग्वेज पे होता है। एंड मेजरली इफ यू वुड सी देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दैट यू वुड हियर जिनका टंग जो होता है वो
कितना रहता है? Can you repeat it once again?
so there are times when your tongue it's not shaped properly and
Hmm.
जीभ होती है वो नीचे कुछ लोगों की ज़्यादा जुड़ी होती है या फिर आपका मुँह पूरा नहीं खुलता है, ठीक है? जो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब च्यू करते हैं तम्बाकू, मुँह पूरा नहीं खुलता, तो वो क्लियरली नहीं बोल पाते।
Yeah.
For anybody to speak properly, the most important thing is that they should be able to use their mouth enough.
Okay.
Okay, we will talk about a lot of things, I'm sure, but then that's one major reason why you would see people are not able to pronounce things correctly is because
Hmm.
one, they have their own regional influences and then their defect.